Ready to escape the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to redefine your audio experience with unmatched noise cancellation. Seriously, these are the best noise-canceling headphones you can buy right now. Imagine silencing planes, office chatter, or city noise instantly. It's an incredible game-changer for focus and immersion. Plus, with an amazing 30-hour battery life, you can enjoy your favorite music or podcasts for days without worrying about charging. The multi-point connection is a lifesaver, letting you seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop without repairing. These aren't just headphones, they're your personal sanctuary, offering crystal-clear audio and unparalleled comfort for long listening sessions. If you're looking for the ultimate audio upgrade, this is it. Thinking about buying new premium headphones? The Sony WH-1000XM5 is absolutely worth the investment for its superior performance. Find the best deal and purchase yours through the link in the description below. For anyone serious about sound and silence, these are hands down the best headphones of 2025.